it's over. Got him.
I'm afraid to go over there. I'm like, that's an elk? There's no antlers. I'm not seeing something here.
Finally made it the whole 300 yards up to the monster cow. We're gonna walk over here and look. Right on.
That is cool.
She is under the snow.
She is like, this is her head.
Yeah.
Under the snow.
It's gone. Wow, she really just buried herself.
Yes.
Look at that.
Wow. Nice.
Good job.
Christmas cow. Look at that big fat thing.
Yeah. There's some food for 2016. There she is.
Now we get to clean it.
Yeah, no.
Quarter it up.
We're on the steepest face possible, so this is going to be a lot of fun.
Yeah, that'd be interesting.
Yeah. It's going to be a great time. It'll be fast on our butts.
Thanks, Oz. This will be good.
Quite the guide, huh?
Yeah, it was tough.
Got some little cows in there.
Someone learn, many do. Cover up or spread it out. Turn around, had enough. Pick and choose or pass it on. Buying in, heading for something now. Suffer then, it's bad enough. I want the fear, need the fear, 'cause he's a
Oh, that guy. What'd you just do?
Got an elk. Well, not all the way yet, but we're getting there.
We're getting there. Good job. Let's go hike over there.
After all, what's the point? Cross levitation is possible if you're a fly, a chieftain gone. There's time for this and so.
That hit her. What just happened?
Round two.
Round two. We got 2 bullets in her. All right.
Create a world, a special place of my design to never cope or never care. Just use the key, 'cause he's
Me. Me.
well, if they're making it, can get pushing it.
Here she is. 2015 cow elk. Came up this morning when there was a bunch of elk in the area. The guy behind the camera right now, he came up yesterday, got one with his dad. Day after Christmas, came up. We thought we were going to find him on the other side, and we never did. So we ended up kind of just hiking up on this side, and sure enough, there was elk just right above us. So kind of got in position and made a move and sat there and got set up on him. And first shot was a good one. Unfortunately, though, we got over here and she was just still laying. We had to get another one in her and put her right down and got the job done. But anyways, it'll be a little bit of work getting her out, but that's what it's all about. We have a good time doing it. So we're gonna get to working on this thing, get her cleaned up, and
Hey, thanks for making me a path on the way out of here.
yeah, that's what I was just thinking.
That's real nice.
Yeah, I don't know which way to go, dude.
Is it pretty bad to pull?
Not bad. Yours will be simple.
Mine will? Oh,
Yeah,
because of
you
your
got
trail?
This little freaking bobsled running there.
Thank you for that.
You're welcome. Thanks for coming.
Until next time, huh?